everyone. I am a seller onboarding expert and I welcome you to Tata Click training program. In this video, we will learn how to update tags, that is VAT and CST, for your product. Tags that needs to be updated once you create the listing of your product through a seller panel. Product will not be listed if you have not updated the tags. Now let's visit sellerzone.tataclick.com. Once on the home page, you need to log in using your seller credentials. Then you require all the products that require updating the tags. For that, you need to click on Reports and Dashboard and then go to Non-listed products. Over here, you will have a drop down. You need to click on Pending Tax Status and click on Search. Over here, you will get all the SKUs that requires tax updating. To get the bulk file, you need to click on Download Report. Then once you have all the SKUs that require tags, you need to click on the Tata logo and then go to Tax Master Setup. Then you need to click on Seller-wise Tax Bulk Upload. Now you require a tax format in which you will feed all the data and upload it into the system. That is very simple. You need to click on Download Format to get that report. Now you have two files with us. One is a tax master format, second one is a bulk file which has all the SKUs. We need to simply copy the SKUs from a bulk file into the first column which says SKU. Then we need to enter the state from where our product will be dispatched. So I know that my first few product will be dispatched from Maharashtra and the VAT which I pay in Maharashtra is 5.5%. And my remaining products will be dispatched from Karnataka and pay the VAT of 12%. Once I have filled in all the relevant details in the field, I need to save this file. Once all the data is fed into the system, I will upload the file by clicking on this button. Once I click on upload, I will get a summary file which will notify me if all the SKUs are properly updated or no. We open the file and we see that all the SKUs are properly updated, and it also gives the status that records are updated. With this, we have learned how to update the VAT and CST in Tata portal. Thank you so much for watching this video.